How to use Teamviewer mobile to PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to control your PC right from your mobile device using Teamviewer. Let's get started. Download and install Teamviewer on both your mobile device and your PC. For mobile, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Teamviewer, and hit Install. For PC, visit the official Teamviewer website and download the version that suits your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Open Teamviewer on your PC. You'll see a window with your unique ID and password. This is what you'll use to connect from your mobile device. But before we proceed, make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Now open Teamviewer on your mobile device. You'll be prompted to enter the partner ID. This is the ID from your PC. Once entered, tap Remote Control. You'll then be asked to enter the password displayed on your PC's Teamviewer window. After entering the password, tap OK. You're now connected. Your mobile device will display your PC's screen. You can navigate your desktop, open files, and even run applications. Use your finger to move the mouse cursor, tap to click, and pinch to zoom. There's also a keyboard icon at the bottom to type on your PC directly from your mobile. And that's it. You're now ready to control your PC from anywhere using your mobile device and Teamviewer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.